Making yourself more productive starts with setting goals that matter to you. Identify what you truly want to achieve and break it down into achievable goals. This is a great first step towards improving your productivity. Organizing your work helps you to prioritize tasks and focus on the most critical items first. Make a habit of planning your day in advance and arrange your activities based on their importance. This way, you won't overlook vital activities or waste time on unimportant tasks. Distractions are productivity killers that can derail even the best laid plans. To reduce distractions, turn off notifications, avoid social media, and stay away from things that break your concentration. This way, you can focus on your tasks and complete them quickly. Self-care is not a luxury but a necessity. To boost your productivity, make sure you get enough sleep, eat healthily, exercise, and take breaks. These self-care habits improve not just your physical health, but your mental well-being, making you more productive and focused on your tasks.